Hello, grade 4 mabait pupils. I'm still your teacher. Greets you a good day. May this day brings gladness, goodness, and blessings from our Lord Jesus Christ. Keep you safe as always. Welcome to our virtual classroom. I know you already miss the school, the activities, your friends, your classmates, and everything in school. I hope you also miss me because I miss you so much. So come on, let's go to our virtual classroom. Our lesson for today is based on the objective for this week, quarter 4, week 6, day 2. Our learning competency is solves routine and non-routine problems involving the volume of a rectangular prism. Again, I am your teacher, Catalina P. Alcantara, teacher 3 of Banad Elementary School, Full Almeda District. Let's have first a drill. Okay, this is a flashcard and I will use this as your drill for multiplication. Okay, 7 times 4. Okay, the answer is 42. Very good. Next, 5 times 8 is 40. Very good. Next, 9 times 7 is 62. Very good. Next, 6 times 7 is 42. Very good. And next one, 9 times 8. The answer is 73. Okay? I hope you already know your multiplication table. Let's proceed. As for our review, we have studied the line segment. This is an example of a line segment. We have 1 unit line segment. We can use to measure it by using a ruler, a meter, and other measuring device. We also have the 3-dimension by measuring the width and the length. When we talk about area, we need to measure only the length and the width. Doing it, we have 2-dimensional objects. Moving forward for our lesson, as you can see in the picture, there are lots of boxes under the table and on the table. Our lesson for today is about rectangular prism and its volume. What can you say about the picture? By the way, what is a community pantry? Look at the picture. There are many food, fruits, vegetables, okay, and many other supplies. Community pantry is a service that provides food directly to locals suffering from food insecurity. The school decided to have a community pantry to give service to our neighborhood. Okay. Look at the table. It's a lot of goods. There are noodles, there are eggs, there are cupcakes, there are sitaw, upo, talong, this is kalabasa, and many other foods. Let's find out the volume of each boxes and plastic bags distributed in the community pantry of Banaad ES. There are different kinds of variety. There are different kinds of food was solicited by the schools to provide for the advocacy campaign like this community pantry. We will study about the volume of each box of cupcakes, box of noodles, a tray of eggs, plastic bags of rice, and different vegetables. For valuing, why are we doing this? It's like sharing and giving. In this time of pandemic, everyone is committed to serve and give whatever their hearts wanted to give. This community pantry cannot be possible without the help of the barangay officials, nearby neighborhood, and other stakeholders. This can be a good example for you children. that giving and sharing. Before going to our lesson proper, let's have first the meaning of the volume. What is a volume? Volume is how much space an object takes. This is an example of a cubic unit. The width is 1 centimeter, the length is 1 centimeter, and the height is 1 centimeter. What unit of measurement do we use to measure volume? Okay, when we talk about volume, we are discussing on cubic measuring, cubic centimeters or cubic meters. And cubic centimeter or cm3 or cubic meters or m3. Finding the formula of a volume of a prism. We have a formula that is volume is equivalent to length times width times height. We can also write V is equal to L times W times H. H stands for height, width stands for W, or L stands for length. To find the volume of the rectangular prism, multiply the length, the width, and the height. The unit for measuring the volume of a rectangular prism is cubic units. That is cubic centimeter, cm3, cubic millimeter, mm3, cubic inches or in3, or cubic meter or m3. There's also cubic dm or cubic decimeter. These are some examples of a rectangular prism or a three-dimensional rectangular faces. This one is a tissue holder. This one is a toy, a matchbox, a cabinet, and different sizes of boxes. Next, for our proper lesson, we have routine word problem and non-routine word problem. What is a routine word problem? A problem that is practical in nature and can be solved by at least one of the four arithmetic operations. This is a type of problem with an immediate solution. How about the non-routine? A non-routine problem is a word problem in which it requires analysis and insights into known principles of mathematics. By the way, children, the routine problem and non-routine problem have the same process. Let's see. From the example of a word problem based on the community pantry we have in Banad Elementary School. A plastic container for palamigan as refreshment used in the community pantry has a length of 120 centimeter, a width of 60 centimeter, and a height of 100 centimeter. How much water is needed to fill to make the palamig? Okay, let's see. Again, I told you, in solving the problem, we need to apply the UPS method. U stands for understand, P stands for plan, S stands for solve. Let's get it on. First step is understand. How to understand? Let us know what is being asked. Based on the problem, a plastic container for palamig as refreshment used in the community pantry has a length of 120 centimeter, a width of 60 centimeter, and a height of 100 centimeter. How much water is needed to fill to make the palamig? How do we know what is being asked? Let's find out the question mark. Okay. What we are asking is the amount of water needed to fill to make the palamig. Okay, check. Another to understand is the facts or the given facts. We are talking about mathematics. So, the given facts are numbers. As you can see, we have three numbers. Length is 120 centimeter. W is 60 centimeter. The height is 100 centimeter. So these are the given facts. Okay, check. For the second step is plan. Let's determine the operation on formula to be used. Okay, how do we get the answer? The operation we need to do is multiplication as indicated in the formula. V is equal to L times W times height. Okay, check. And the third step is to solve for the solution using the formula. That's why our drill is multiplication. We just need to multiply the number or the given facts. Okay, V is equals to L times W and then times height. We just need to substitute. L is 120, W is 60, and H is for 100 centimeters. So, by multiplying it, we will have the correct answer. Again, by checking. Go back to your computation, check if the given dimensions are properly substituted to the formula, then check the flow of the computation. The answer is 7,200 cubic centimeter. Very good. That is how we can have the answer. Okay, for further explanation, let's have another problem based on the community pantry we had in Banaad ES. Okay, different boxes of goods came in for community pantry, one of which is a box of noodle that has length of 8 inches, a width of 11 inches, and a height of 15 inches. Let's find out the volume of the prism. First, what is asked for in the problem? What is asked? Again, let's see the question mark. What is asked in the problem? Then, what are the given facts? Look again and read again the problem. The given facts in mathematical are numbers. Oh, again, I know you already have the facts. Okay, based again on the problem, what are the operations used? Okay. What is the number sentence? Read again the question, the problem, and you will find out by using the formula, we will soon know the operation. Again, based on the problem we have, from the community pantry of Banaad ES, different boxes of goods came in for community pantry, one of which is a box of noodles that has length of 8 inches, a width of 11 inches, and a height of 15 inches. What is the volume of the prism? Okay, I know you already have your answer. Let us reveal. The formula is volume is equivalent to L times W times H. And then the substitution for the length is 8 inches, the width is 11 inches, and height for 15 inches. So, the operation is multiplication, and the answer is the volume of the box came in, the volume of a certain box is 1,320 cubic inches. Okay, very good.